Put a finger down if you stepped away from the YouTube channel and the NGO that you created to help people living with HIV. It's not that you stopped working with people who are living with HIV, it's just that you stepped away mentally from the NGO. Your heart wasn't in it anymore, and you stepped away from the YouTube channel physically. Right? Okay. Put a finger down if life disrupted you, so you decided to take a little break because the problems were piling up. You moved to another city, you fell into severe depression, things weren't working out, the people you were trying to engage for collaborations just weren't responding, and general situations, and before you knew it, your short break turned into 6 years. Just me. Okay. Hi everyone. I can't believe you guys are still here, but I'm back, I think. So I could tell you many reasons why I stepped back, and they would all be cogent, but the simple reason was that my cup was empty, and you can't pour from an empty cup. When I started this organization, this idea, this YouTube channel, I designated myself the face of HIV. So what that meant was that I was showing up daily as HIV spokesperson. My persona was about HIV. My writings were about HIV. My vlog, everything I spoke about was about HIV. And not just about HIV, but it has to be positive, it has to be uplifting, it has to be empowering. And it was exhausting. Because while I was doing that, creating that machinery, I would call it, in the background, life was happening. I lost a cushy job, a job I thought was really good, and the life that I was building by extension of that job. So suddenly, all my energy and resources had to be channeled into survival for my daughter and for myself. So I think at some point, I think I lost my mind there as well. The other thing was that I was doing this work mostly alone. I had a board of people, but they were barely interested. I had an idea where I saw the LOLO initiative going, but I didn't have the resources or the energy, the motivations, or the help to get it there. So I began to limit my work to just mostly interventions, financial, food, those kind of things. I also used to see organizations get international recognition, and with things that I knew that were in my plan but I hadn't implemented. So that also bothered me, and that's even something I want to talk about, because it was then I realized that there was a conflict of emotions that I was also dealing with. So yes, I want to see HIV eradicated. I want an HIV-free generation. I want people not to contract the virus. But at the same time, I enjoy that something that should have given me shame is turned into power for me, right? I enjoy wielding that power. I enjoy using that power. I enjoy having that power. It's something that I struggled with, but now I have made peace with it. That power is necessary for me to move on. So that's another aspect. So I'm done living for external validation. I'm done pretending that the negativity rolls off my back and it doesn't affect me, and that this thing is easy. I am first of all a human being, living, experiencing the human experience before I am even HIV positive. And it's that human experience, according to me, that I'm going to be showing you on this channel. I'm going to start again with my monthly videos and things, and you're going to see aspects of my life. I used to live honestly. I used to show honestly, but now I'm going to show authentically what I really am and who I am, and I hope that you come on the journey with me, because this work is not just personal, it's also political, you know, and it's very important that it serves the community, but it also serves me as well. So if you're seeing me for the first time, or even if you already know me, my name is Mary Eru, and I run the LOLO Initiative. It's an organization that offers psychosocial support for people living with HIV, peer counseling, sexual and reproductive health rights education for young people, that's prevention services, and workplace training in HIV policy for corporate organizations. If you want to contact us, the details will be in the description box and the email address as well. And if you are living with HIV, you just found out that you're not alone. We're many, and I am with you. So that's it. That's pretty much the message that I wanted to send. Please share, like, follow. If you haven't, don't abandon me like I abandoned you. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.